Namaste. Welcome to Easy Ayurveda. I am Dr Sudarshan. Today's question is, how can I give Tulsi to my 5-year-old child for his immunity and respiratory problem, and how much and for how long? Tulsi or holy basil is a plant with auspicious values as well as medicinal properties. Botanical name of Tulsi is Ocimum sanctum. Ayurvedic medicines like Vilvadi Gulika, Tribhuvana Kirti Rasa, Manasamitravati, Muktadi Mahanjana, Mukta Panchamrita Rasa, etc. contain Tulsi as an important ingredient. According to Dhanvantari Nigantu, Tulasi Laghurushna cha Ruksha Kafa Vinashini, Krimidosham Nihantyesha, Ruchikrid Vahni Deepani. That means Tulsi is Laghu, light, Ushna, hot, Ruksha, dry, Kafa Vinashini, pacifies Kafa dosha, Krimidosham Nihanti, antimicrobial, Ruchikrid, relieves anorexia, and Vahni Deepani, improves digestion strength. A research study has been conducted on Tulsi to evaluate its clinical efficacy and safety in humans. Tulsi or holy basil, being hot and having a pungent taste, is very useful in kapha-borne diseases. It is very good in infectious diseases as it has antimicrobial action. Hence, Tulsi is commonly used to treat respiratory disorders, especially in children. Now coming to the question, that is, how Tulsi can be given to a child of 5 years. During raining and winter seasons, when respiratory illnesses are more, you can give a leaf of Tulsi along with a pinch of turmeric powder and pepper powder mixed along with a teaspoon of honey. It can be administered for a period of up to 2 weeks. Because of the hotness of this home remedy, if you want to continue beyond 2 weeks, it is best to give a gap of 1 week before continuing for another 2 weeks and so on. But long-term usage of any herb is not recommended in children as it is hot and pungent. A lot of Ayurvedic pharma companies such as Himalaya, MVM, Basic Ayurveda, etc. have come up with Tulsi syrups which can be beneficial in children in smaller doses of 2 to 5 ml per day. It is better to consult an Ayurvedic physician if you want to continue the use beyond 2 weeks. Thanks for watching. If you like our content, kindly support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. If you want us to answer any questions, please feel free to comment below. See you in the next video. Namaste.